Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage web security with Norton, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Norton application on your device. Once the application is launched, you'll see the main dashboard. Locate the security tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the security tab to access various security features. Next, find the firewall option under the security menu. Click on firewall to review your current settings. Ensure that the firewall is turned on for optimal protection. If it's off, toggle the switch to enable it. Next, return to the main security dashboard. Click on Antivirus from the security features list. Make sure the antivirus protection is active. If it's not, click on Turn On to enable it. Now, navigate to the Live Update option. This feature ensures that your software is up to date. Click on Live Update to begin downloading the latest definitions. Wait for the update process to complete. Once updated, check the Scan option in the main dashboard. Select Smart Scan for a quick assessment of your system. Follow the prompts to initiate the scan. Wait for the scan to finish and review the results. If any threats are detected, follow the on-screen options to remove them. Next, access the Password Manager if you use it. Click on Password Manager to manage your saved passwords securely. Ensure that your passwords are strong and unique. You can also enable two-factor authentication for added security. Return to the main dashboard. Click on Settings in the corner for more preferences. Explore options like Web Protection and Identity Theft Protection. Adjust settings according to your personal security needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.